Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 1000 likes.
The 10 most deadliest extinct animals that could have ruined the world. 10th one, Megalodon. Megalodon, meaning big tooth, is an extinct species of shark that lived approximately 23 to 3.6 million years ago, during the early Miocene to the Pliocene. It was formerly thought to be a member of the family Lamnidae and a close relative of the great white shark. While regarded as one of the largest and most powerful predator to have ever lived, Megalodon is known from fragmentary remains and its appearance and maximum size are uncertain. Most estimates of Megalodon size extrapolate from teeth, with maximum length estimates up to 18 meters. Estimates suggest their large jaws could exert a bite force of up to 110,000 to 180,000 newtons. Their teeth were thick and robust, built for grabbing prey and breaking bone. A mature megalodon will be 30.2 to 65.5 tons in weight. A 2015 study linking shark size and typical swimming speed estimated that megalodon would have typically swim at 18 kilometers per hour. There has been no concrete proof of megalodon survival, however, and many believe that if it were still around, we would see it more often due to its lifestyle. I hope there aren't any more megalodons still around. Oh my god, imagine dealing with a shark this size. 9th one, Horse Eagle. The horsed eagle is an extinct species of eagle that once lived in the South Island of New Zealand. The species was the largest eagle known to have existed, with an estimated weight of 15 kg, nearly double that of the harpy eagle at 9 kg. Its massive size is explained as an evolutionary response to the size of its prey, the flightless moa, the largest of which could weigh 230 kg. Horsed eagle became extinct around 1400 after the moa were hunted to extinction. Horsed eagle preyed on large flightless bird species including the moa, which was up to 15 times the weight of the eagle. Its large beak also could be used to rip into the internal organ of its prey, and death then would have been caused by blood loss. The grip of a horsed eagle's talon is believed to be over 700 psi. This is equal to a 700-pound bear will sat on you. The horsed eagle preyed on the first human settlers that arrived in New Zealand. It is known that horse eagle went after the children in particular and was symbol of both fear and worship for early Maori tribes. But mankind drive this winged terror to extinction when they killed off its main food supply, the moa. The horse eagle went extinct around about 1400 though, as with the moa. 8th one, Androsarchus. Androsarchus is an extinct genus of mammal that lived during the Middle Eastern epoch in what is now Inner Mongolia, China. It is the largest land-based mammalian carnivore ever to live on the planet. It's estimated to have been about 6 feet tall at the shoulder and over 12 feet long. It's only known from one single skull specimen, however, and so therefore its true size cannot be determined for sure. But it is generally believed to have been the largest terrestrial mammal carnivore of all time. It could bite with a force of over 2,000 pounds, which is comparable to 1 ton over twice that of a modern-day tiger, which has the strongest bite of any terrestrial mammal alive today. Androsarchus was actually more closely related to whales, hippos, sheep and goats than it was to any living mammal carnivore, despite its wolf-like appearance. Whether it was a scavenger or not, it was the largest and most powerful land mammal carnivore that has ever lived. 7th one, Titanoboa. Titanoboa is an extinct genus of very large snakes that lived in northeastern Colombia. They could grow up to 50 feet long and reach a weight of 1,135 kg. Fossils of Titanoboa have been found in the Sergian Formation and date to around 58 to 60 million years ago. This monster would have preyed on giant fish and crocodiles. It was mostly a marine animal, as on land it would have been somewhat cumbersome, though it could have still pulled prey from the land into the ocean in much the same manner as a crocodile. The beast is believed to have killed its victims using constriction like modern-day anacondas, though some believe it may also have had a poison bite. 6th one, Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus, meaning spine lizard, is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur that lived in what now is North Africa about 112 to 93.5 million years ago. Spinosaurus could reach length of 15 to 16 meter. The latest estimates suggest a weight of 6.4 to 7.5 tons. Spinosaurus is known to have eaten fish, and most scientists believe that it hunted both terrestrial and aquatic prey. Evidence suggests that it was highly semi-aquatic and lived both on land and in water as modern crocodilians do. Spinosaurus also had a relatively powerful bite too, of roughly 3 tons. Spinosaurus had a stronger bite than any animal alive today, though its bite was still quite small for an animal of its size. Fifth one, Predator X. A giant marine reptile that roamed the seas roughly 150 million years ago is a new species, researchers say. The animal, now named Plesiosaurus fungi, spanned about 40 feet and had a massive 6.5 foot long skull with a bite 4 times as powerful as Tyrannosaurus rex. As a guide, a specimen found in the Svalbard Islands of northern Europe has been estimated to have been 15 meters long, 45,000 kg in weight, and had teeth 30 centimeters long. It is estimated to have lived approximately 147 million years ago. Its bite was over 15 tons, which would have been powerful enough to bite a car in half. The beast would have preyed on, well, just about anything it wanted to. Sharks, plesiosaurs, giant squids, Pterosaurus, the old unlucky dinosaur that strayed too close to the shore. Its teeth were over twice the length of T-Rex. Fourth one, terror birds. Terror birds are an extinct clade of large carnivorous flightless birds that were the largest species of apex predators in South America during the Cenozoic era. Their conventionally accepted temporal range covers from 62 to 1.8 million years ago. The fossil has been described as being a 71 cm nearly intact skull. The beak is roughly 46 cm long and curves in a hook shape that resembles an eagle's beak. The new fossil belonged to a terror bird that probably stood about 3 meters tall. Scientists theorize that the large terror birds were extremely nimble and quick runners, able to reach speed of 48 km per hour. They had massive razor-sharp beaks capable of ripping off massive pieces of flesh and long razor-sharp talons on their feet, which may have been used to disembowel their victims. They are believed to have gone extinct just before the arrival of man. Third one, Gigantopithecus. Gigantopithecus is an extinct genus of ape from the early to middle Pleistocene of southern China, represented by one species, G. blacki. Potential identification have also been made in Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Gigantopithecus was once argued to be a hominin, a member of the human line, but it is now thought to be closely allied with orangutans, classified in the subfamily Ponginae. This beast could be up to 10 feet tall and weight up to 300 kg. Modern day gorillas can lift over 200 kg, which is the comparable to over 30 human beings. They can also lift over 10 times their own body weight. Now, given that Gigantopithecus could be over twice the size of modern day gorilla, then again one can only imagine how powerful this creature would have been. Second one, Dinosuchus. Dinosuchus is an extinct genus of crocodilian related to the modern alligator that lived 82 to 73 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. The name translates as terrible crocodile. Dinosuchus was far larger than any modern crocodile or alligator, with the largest adult measuring 12 meters in total length. Its overall appearance was fairly similar to its smaller relatives. It had large, robust teeth built for crushing. One study indicated Dinosuchus may have lived for up to 50 years, growing at a rate similar to that of modern crocodilians, but maintaining this growth over a much longer time. This beast estimated to have 5,000 kg weight. Fossils from T-Rexes and other dangerous dinosaurs show teeth marks from the Dinosuchus. That means these ancient crocs regularly did battle with the king of the dinosaurs. Number 1. Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex, rex meaning king in Latin, often called T-Rex, is one of the most well represented of the large theropods. T-Rex lived throughout what is now Western North America on what was then an island continent known as Laramidia. Fossils are found in variety of rock formation dating to 68 to 66 million years ago. The most complete specimen measures up to 12.3 meters in length, though T-Rex could grow to length of over 12.3 meter, up to 3.66 meter tall at the hips, and according to most modern estimates, 8.4 metric ton to 14 metric tons in weight. It has a bite force of anything between 9 and over 23 tons. With a bite of over 23 tons, T-Rex would have had an even greater bite than Megalodons. T-Rex could also lift over 5 tons off the ground too, which is about the weight of an African elephant. It could also rip off over 500 pounds of flesh in one bite.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. See you again.